When it comes to fire safety, a lot of people say it's not my job. But in the UAE, that excuse doesn't work. Everyone in the building has a role to play by law. The building owner. The owner is responsible for installing and maintaining all fire protection systems. They must hire a licensed AMC contractor and ensure the systems are tested and approved. The facility management company. The F1 team must monitor the systems daily, report any faults, and keep emergency exit clear and functional. They work closely with AMC providers and civil defense. The tenants and occupants. Tenants must learn the evacuation plan, follow safety signs, and report any fire risk they see, like blocked exits or tampered equipment. The AMC provider. The AMC company must inspect, maintain, and certify all systems on time. They must be approved by civil defense and provide full documentation after each service. Fire warden or safety officer. Every building must assign trained fire wardens. Their job is to lead evacuations and assist others during emergencies. In the UAE, fire safety is not just one person's job. It's a team responsibility.